Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to run a full blood count sample using the Mindray BC-10 Analyzer. Step 1. Gently mix the blood sample in the EDTA tube to make sure it is well prepared. Step 2. On the analyzer screen, touch the Next Sample button. Step 3. A new window will open. First, enter the sample ID. Then type the patient ID, followed by the patient's first name and last name. Step 4. When all the details are correct, click the OK button. Step 5. Now, aspirate the EDTA blood sample by placing it to the machine probe. The analyzer will automatically take in the sample. Step 6. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. The final result will appear clearly on the screen. And that's it. You have successfully run an FBC sample on the Mindray BC-10 Analyzer. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lab tutorials.